Hi, my name is Tony, and today I'm going to show you how to make a citrus mango smoothie, which tastes just like a dessert. It's one of my favorites. Let's get started. I'm starting with a heaping cup of frozen mango, one ripe banana. Preferably, I would like it to be riper than what it is. Usually, I prefer one with a lot of brown spots, but this is the only one that I have right now, so it's going to have to do the trick. I haven't tried this, but I think you could also use fresh mango and frozen banana and it would have a similar texture and the same taste. The recipe that I'm sharing below calls for 1 tangerine, and my tangerine is pretty small, so I'm going to use 1 tangerine and 1 cutie because I have them. Next, we have some plant-based milk. You can use any type of plant-based milk that you have, sweetened, unsweetened, vanilla or plain, almond, soy, oat, your choice. I'm going to start with about 3/4 cup and add more if I need to later. Lastly, if you have vanilla, you can add a little drop of that. Anywhere from half a teaspoon to a teaspoon should do the trick. And if my fruit isn't so sweet, then I'm going to add a drop of agave. I just finished it and it looks so good. Although this is a smoothie, it tastes just like dessert. We just ate dinner and I'm gonna slurp this up. It is very sweet with a little bit of tang, and there are a lot of adjustments you can make. You can add some protein powder if you want to serve it for breakfast with a boost of protein. I would do a vanilla protein, and if you wanted a tad bit sweeter, because your banana isn't very sweet, you can add in a little bit of agave. I would just do a drop at a time to make sure it's not too sweet. And if it's too liquidy, feel free to add in some more mango chunks. And if you're using frozen banana, that's another thing you can add in more of. I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.